Welcome to It's English podcast, where English feels easy, calm, and natural.
Hey, welcome back to It's English podcast, the show that helps you speak, think, and feel in English. And I am so happy you are here today. Whether you're on the bus, at the gym, or sitting with a cup of tea at home, we are so glad you joined us today.
Mary, today's topic, I need to say it slowly because it is big. Life before and after smartphones.
Oh yes, this one is personal for both of us. Brian, before we start, quick question. What did you do this morning? The very first thing.
I checked my phone. I know. Before coffee, before saying good morning to anyone. The phone was just there.
Me too, Brian. Me too. And I think most of our listeners did the same thing.
So today we ask, was life better before smartphones, or did smartphones actually make life better? And what can we do to find a healthy balance?
We will look at both sides. We will share personal stories, and we have a beautiful vocabulary section coming later.
So grab your notebook, or just put down your phone for a moment. Ha, I said it. Let's go. Tip number 1. Let's go back in time. Before smartphones, before apps.
Before Instagram and WhatsApp and Google Maps. Do you remember that world?
I do. I grew up without a smartphone. If I wanted to call a friend, I called the house phone. Their house phone. And sometimes the parent answered.
Oh, the parent answering the phone, that was its own kind of stress.
You had to be polite. Hello, this is Brian. Is Ahmed home, please? Full sentences, full manners.
Warmly, before smartphones, we navigated with paper maps. We memorized phone numbers. We waited. We were patient because we had no other choice.
And you know what? When you had to wait, you looked around. You noticed things. You talked to the person next to you.
Softly, that is our first tip. Notice what you're missing right now. When you look up from your phone, what do you see?
A tree outside the window? A person waiting for the bus? A beautiful sky. The world is still there, waiting for you. Energetic, data-driven. Tip number 2. Okay, let's be honest. Smartphones changed everything.
Balanced, thoughtful. They changed how we communicate, how we shop, how we travel, how we learn, how we feel about ourselves.
Personal story here. My first smartphone, I was 19, and suddenly I could listen to music anywhere, take photos of everything, stay connected to people. I felt free.
But then something shifted. The phone that gave you freedom started to take it away.
Exactly. You started checking it every 5 minutes, even when nothing new happened.
Psychologists call this notification anxiety, the fear of missing something. In English, we call it FOMO, fear of missing out.
FOMO. Say it with me. FOMO. Fear of missing out. Do you feel that sometimes?
Tip 2 is this. Understand the difference between connection and distraction. A smartphone can be a bridge, but sometimes we use it as a wall.
A bridge connects people. A wall separates them. Which one are you building right now with your phone?
Tip 3. Notice the hidden costs of screen time. Let's talk about something real. Sleep.
Oh no, here we go.
Before smartphones, most people had a clear boundary. You came home, you ate dinner, you watched TV maybe, and then you slept.
Now, I fall asleep with my phone in my hand. Sometimes I wake up at 3 a.m. and I just scroll. Why? I don't even know.
You are not alone, Brian. Studies show that the blue light from screens tells our brain it is still daytime, so we don't sleep well.
Think of your brain like a sunset. It needs darkness to slow down, but the phone is like a little sun in your hand, keeping your brain wide awake.
Tip 3,
Create a phone-free zone in your bedroom, even just 30 minutes before sleep. No screen. Let your brain breathe.
Read a book instead. Write in a journal. Talk to someone you love. The old way sometimes is the best way.
Tip 4. Bring back one pre-smartphone habit this week. Maybe write a letter. Call someone on the phone with your voice. Cook without watching a tutorial. Just do it with your hands and your memory.
Challenge accepted. I'm calling my dad tonight, just to talk. Not to ask anything, just to hear his voice.
Tip 5. Build a healthy relationship with your phone.
Okay, our fifth and final tip. And this is the most important one.
We are not saying throw your phone away. That is not realistic. And honestly, we need our phones.
Google Maps alone saved my life. I have no sense of direction. Absolutely zero.
Smartphones are tools, like a knife in the kitchen. A knife can make dinner, or it can cause harm. It depends on how you use it.
So the question is not, is my phone good or bad? The question is, am I using my phone or is my phone using me?
Say that again slowly, Brian.
Am I using my phone or is my phone using me?
Let that question sit with you today.
Here are 3 small things you can try. Number 1, put your phone face down when you eat. Number 2, turn off non-essential notifications. Number 3, choose 1 hour every day that is phone-free.
Just 1 hour, 60 minutes. Use that time to live, fully, presently, in real life.
Okay, listeners, vocabulary section is here. This is the part where you grab your notebook, or pause, or replay, because today's words are beautiful. Ready?
We have 10 wonderful smartphone life words for you. 10 words, each one useful, each one expressive.
And we are going to say each word slowly, clearly, and more than once, so you can really hear it.
Our first word is distraction. Distraction. Dis-track-shun. A distraction is something that takes your attention away from what you're doing.
For example, my phone is my biggest distraction when I study. Distraction.
Think of distraction like a little bird outside your window. You are working, but the bird starts singing, and suddenly you forget what you were doing. That bird is a distraction. Say it again. Distraction. Word 2. Connected. 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 Connected means joined to other people or things, part of a network, part of a group.
For example, smartphones help us stay connected with family far away. Connected.
Before smartphones, we felt connected through letters, visits, and phone calls. Now we feel connected through messages and social media. The feeling is the same. The tools changed. Connected. Word 3. Scroll. 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 To scroll means to move through content on a screen by sliding up or down.
For example, I scrolled for 1 hour and I don't even remember what I saw. We all know that feeling. Scroll.
Scrolling can be like eating chips. You take one, then another, and suddenly the whole bag is empty. Scroll. Word 4. Notification. Notification. No-de-fi-ca-shun. A notification is a message or alert from your phone that tells you something happened.
For example, I turned off all my notifications and I feel so peaceful. Notification.
Think of notifications like tiny messengers knocking at your door all day. Every 5 minutes. Hey, 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 look at me. Notification. Word 5. Addicted. 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 If you are addicted to something, you can't stop doing it even if you want to.
For example, some people feel addicted to social media. addicted.
It's not weakness. Apps are designed to be addictive. The more you scroll, the more they show you. Understanding this is the first step. Addicted. Word 6. Nostalgia. 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 Nostalgia is a warm, happy feeling when you think about the past.
For example, looking at old photos fills me with nostalgia. Nostalgia.
Nostalgia is like a soft, warm light in your chest. When you remember something good, something from a simpler time, that feeling is nostalgia. Say it. Nostalgia. Word 7. Present. 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 To be present means to be fully in the moment, here, now, paying full attention.
For example, put your phone away and be present with your family.
Being present is a gift, not just for others, but for yourself. When you're present, you actually live the moment, not just photograph it. Present. Word 8. Screen time. Screen time. Screen time. Screen time is the total amount of time you spend looking at any digital screen.
For example, my screen time last week was 6 hours a day. I was shocked. Screen time.
Most smartphones now show you your weekly screen time. Go check yours after this episode. The number might surprise you. Screen time. Word 9. Balance. 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 Balance means having the right amount of two or more things. Not too much of one, not too little of another.
For example, finding balance between online and offline life is important. Balance.
Think of balance like a seesaw. If one side is too heavy, everything falls. Life and phone time need to be balanced. Balance. And our final word. Mindful. 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 Mindful means paying careful attention to what you are doing and how you are feeling. Being aware. Being conscious.
For example, try to be mindful of how much time you spend on your phone. Mindful.
Mindful is a beautiful word. It means your mind is full of awareness, full of intention. When you are mindful with your phone, you choose when to use it. It does not choose for you. Mindful. Vocabulary wrap-up. 10 beautiful words.
Let's say them one more time slowly. Distraction. Connected. Scroll. Notification. Addicted. Nostalgia. Present. Screen time. Balance. Mindful.
Try using just one today, in a sentence, in your thoughts, even in your imagination.
The more you repeat them, the more they become natural, and the more confident your English becomes. Okay, friends, we are coming to the end of today's episode, and wow, what an episode this was.
We talked about life before smartphones, the patience, the paper maps, the house phone, and we talked about life after smartphones, the connection, the FOMO, the 3 a.m. scrolling.
We shared 5 tips. 1. Notice what you are missing when you look up. 2. Know the difference between connection and distraction. 3. Protect your sleep from screen time. 4. Bring back one pre-smartphone habit. 5. Ask yourself, am I using my phone or is it using me?
And we learned 10 incredible vocabulary words, each one connected to today's topic, each one ready to use in your real English life.
And now, our favorite part of every episode, the listener question.
Today's question for you is, what is one thing you miss from life before smartphones? Maybe the silence, maybe the feeling of being lost and finding your way. Maybe the long phone calls with a friend.
Write your answer in English. Even one sentence is perfect. Post it in our community. Tag us on social media. We want to read your story.
Remember, you don't have to be perfect in English. You just have to be honest and brave enough to try.
That is how your English grows, not by being perfect, by being present.
Thank you for spending this time with us today. This was It's English Podcast. I am Mary.
And I'm Brian. Put down your phone for a moment after this. Look up, breathe, and notice how beautiful real life is.
See you next time.